Established in 1994, B-Tohin Machine, Jiangsu Co., Ltd. is a professional manufacturer of high-performance blower systems and water treatment equipment. We offer a full range of products, including roots blowers, rotary blowers, centrifugal blowers, screw blowers, stainless steel roots blowers, vacuum pumps and water pumps, and also serve as a supplier for Japan's Shin-Meiwa water pumps. Our equipment is widely applied in wastewater treatment, chemical, cement, petroleum and metallurgy industries, enjoying high recognition worldwide. Supported by a professional R&D team and advanced production and testing facilities including Okumer CNC machining centers and standardized blower performance test systems, we deliver stable and high-quality products. As an ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified high and new tech enterprise, we consistently focus on technological innovation, product optimization, and customer satisfaction. We welcome global partners for project cooperation, technical consultation, and product specification inquiries.